Okay. All right. So I'm going to share my screen. Copy. Point now. Disable. And open that. And hide it. Right. Awesome. I open this. I'm going to open Turtle New. And I will get my code. Right. Now, what am I doing in this code? It is one of my favorite apps. Okay. I'll show you what we do. All right. I click run. Now it came up with a box here. You see this box? This is your playground. We are building a game. All right. Now this white box is your what do you call your playground. Now we are going to build a running race between turtles, multiple turtles. They'll start running. Okay. Now whichever turtle runs. So it will start from this end, and from this end, it will go to this end. This is the starting point. This is the ending point. Whichever turtle runs to this ending point first becomes the winner. Okay. Now there are different turtles with different colors. I'm going to choose red. Well, actually, today I'm in good mood. So green. All right. I think green is there. All right. I click OK. Now you see, turtles start from this point. Now they are running. Running. Come on, green, 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 green. Oh, Teri. Yellow one. So it is telling me the winning color is yellow. You've lost. Please try again. And I click on it, it exits. That is what we are trying to build. All right. Okay. Now, how are we going to build this? Okay. Now, I'm going to import a library called Turtle. All right. And I'm also going to import a library to build that white screen. You saw that white playground, no? Wherever it was running, we're going to import a screen library for that. And the turtle library is for the turtles, which was running. So we need these two libraries. All right. And both these libraries are inside this turtle class. Class means imagine section, framework. Okay. Like a blueprint. Okay. Inside this, we have these modules and I'm importing those modules. Then I'm going to import random. You remember random in our banking application?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, why do you think I'll be using random in this application? Can someone take a guess? In banking application, I did it so that I can, what do you call,
Generate account number randomly.
correct. To generate the account number, I did that. But here, why do you think I would
Here,
have?
Which turtle
maybe
wins the race?
for
To win turtle, random turtle too.
No, think about it. Why do you think
To
I
compute how much distance the turtle travel distance.
exactly? So imagine you know this thing, guys, that dice, like what do you call snake and ladder? All right. Now in that snake and ladder, when two, three people are playing, I take the dice and I put, and it'll tell me how many steps I need to move forward. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. That is exactly why we are using random here. So we'll use random.randint some 1 to 10. And every time I run it, it'll tell, okay, red color, how many steps it should take forward. Then I put that and it'll say 5 steps. So red color will take 5 steps forward. Then next one, I'll do it for blue color. The next one, I'll do it for red color. All right. For each turtle, imagine I'm rolling a dice. But for your eyes, it is looking like they're all running together. But to be honest, it is not running together. it is doing one at a time. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Awesome. All right. Now, before I start the race, what is the status of my race? False. Correct. Because the race is not started yet. So my default status is false. All right. Then I'm going to create a screen, an object of my screen. So I imported the screen module. So now I'm creating an object of the screen. Now, why am I creating this object of a screen? So I can use the functions of that screen. For example, when I created a list object, you could use the list methods. You remember we used insert, append, extend. They're all methods of the list. When we created a string, we could use the string methods like upper, dot lower, right? Dot capitalize. They're all methods of the string. Now I need to use the methods of the screen. So to do that, I need to create a screen object. So now I'm creating a screen object by doing this. Okay, this is my framework and this is my object. I'm creating a screen object. And I'm setting up the size of the screen. So like append, remove and all that, we screen library has a method called setup. So it is screen dot setup, and inside that I have width and height. So what is the size of my screen that I'm setting up? Width is 500 mm, height is 400 mm. Got it? Now you can define this however you want. It is up to you. You want a bigger screen, you can put a bigger screen. But just remember, this is doing it in mm. Now, when you hover over this method, see, it is giving you all the details about it. It is telling you, okay, what are the different arguments that you need to provide? You have width, height, start X, start Y, where is it starting from and all that. Okay, it gives you all the information that you need. All right, now when I ran this, you saw there were two boxes. One was the white box, which is what I set up here by doing this. There was one more box. Do you remember what that other box was asking?
Choose a turtle.
Let me run it. It is asking which turtle will win the race, enter a color. Correct. And the name of this box is what? Oi. The name of this box is make your bet. Correct. Now, when I go back here, you see, make your bet, and this is your input box. You remember we used input function um, in banking application. Same thing here, but this input box is linked to your screen. Why? Because this input box should be fed. Whatever you type here should be fed to the screen. So that way it understands which color is he talking about. Correct. So this input box is what is done here. You see this line? Screen user bet, which is the variable, is equal to screen dot text input, and give the name of the box. Make your bet. So did I get the name? Make your bet. All right. And the prompt I'm using is which turtle will win the race, enter a color. Which turtle will win the race, enter a color. You understood how to create an input box, guys?
Yes.
Now, I am not asking you to remember the code. This, you will never use it in your life. Nobody will pay you money to build a turtle game. The idea behind this is the logic. Why am I doing this? When am I doing this? What is the reason I'm doing this? Got it? That is all. Don't remember, okay, sir, screen, I have to import screen and then this. Don't. Please don't. I just want you to enjoy this class and understand why am I doing each of this step. Okay, please don't sit and by heart. I don't want you to remember anything here. Okay. All right. Now, so when I put this in, when I put this thing inside this, when I type red in that box, all right, that red is saved inside my user bed. Correct? It is saved inside my variable here. Whatever I type in that box, it will get saved inside here. All right, good. Then we have positions. Have you heard of something called quadrants?
Yes, Krish.
What are quadrants? In school, you must have heard this. We did this in geometry, I think, if I'm not wrong. Geometry or algebra? What are quadrants?
X, Y, Y, X, 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 Y.
Exactly. So this is your X and this is your Y, correct? All right. Anything below the X is your negative quadrant. Minus 70, minus 40, minus 10. All right. And 20, 50, 80. So I'm giving 30-30 gap. So is this Y or is this X quadrant? Is it Y or X? This minus 70, minus 40, minus 10.
Y.
It is
Y.
Y. Y positions. And this is my X positions. Minus 230 and plus 230 because this is my X quadrant.
X.
So this is minus 230 plus 230 minus 70 minus 40 minus 10 20 50 80. So far so good. So what I need to do now is I need to tell each of that turtle to go stand in their positions. So all the turtles will be in the middle. From here, you will see when I run it, each turtle will go to that position before they start running. Okay, if they have to go to the position, let's say red. Okay, what do you think will be the position of my red turtle? Minus x quadrant is minus 230 and y axis is minus 70. Correct? So red will be minus 230 and minus 70. Yellow minus 230 minus 40. Blue minus 230 minus 10. Correct? That's how it will be, right?
Yes, Krish.
Yeah.
Is everyone understanding? Anyone is not understanding? Let me know. Okay. So when will they win the race? When the position of the turtle becomes plus 230. Correct? Whichever turtle's position reaches plus 230 first becomes the winner. You guys agree?
Yes.
Yes, Krish.
Okay. Super duper. So when I run this now, just check how they will run to the positions. I put red, so they're all running to the positions and they're running. Whichever turtle touches plus 230 first. In this case, it was blue. The winning color is blue. You've lost. Please try again. You understood the logic, guys? Any doubts?
No.
No. Okay. Now, I am writing all the y positions. So I'll create a variable called y positions. And what type of data is this?
List.
List. So I'm putting all the positions inside. Minus 70, minus 40, minus 10, 20, 50, 80. Then I'm putting all the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And then I'm creating an empty list to store the turtles now. I've not created the turtles yet. I've imported the library, but I've not created the turtles yet. So I've given them the positions. These are Y positions. And my X position would be minus 230 for all of them. Correct? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, coach.
Okay. Now, let me start creating the turtles. So I will write a loop for turtle index. Now this is a variable, okay? It can be I, J, K, whatever you want. So for turtle index in range 0 to 6. So how many times will this loop?
6 times.
5.
6 times. 0 to 6 is 6 times. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will loop 6 times. All right. Which means I am creating 6 turtles. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I'm creating a new turtle now. New turtle is equal to turtle. Okay. Shape is equal to turtle. Now, why am I defining the shape? Because in this library, you can create a square turtle, a round turtle, circle turtle. You can create a triangle. You can create whichever shape you want. I'm creating a turtle shaped turtle. Okay. So I created a new turtle here. Okay. Then I need to give the color for the new turtle. New turtle dot color is colors index, which means what color will be my first turtle? What will be the index in my first loop?
0.
So colors of 0 is
Red. Red.
red. Got it? Now this I will explain in the end. Leave that line. Okay. Next, I need to tell the position of the turtle. So I'm saying new turtle dot go to x is equal to minus 230, y is equal to y positions 0, which means it will go to
Minus 70.
perfect. So red turtle will go to minus 230 and minus 70. Then I will append this turtle, new turtle, to my empty list I created here, which will be nothing but a turtle object. Got it? So I created my first turtle. Then I go back to my second turtle. My index is what now? 1. All right. So I will create a new turtle again. Then index is 1, which means it will be orange color. Then minus 230 and minus 40. And I will append it. Then I'll go back again. The index is 2. Create a new turtle. Color is 2, yellow. Then minus 230 and minus 10. So like that, I'll create 6 turtles. So far, so good. Any doubts? Even if it's a silly doubt, ask me. It's okay. Okay. So far you guys know how I created my 6 turtles. Yes? How I allocated the color, how I allocated the position. Now, you see, that is where we use lists. Got it? And this is where we're using loops. Why did I use a loop? I could have done it individually, but don't you think I would have repeated this code again and again and again 6 times? If I didn't use the loop? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 All right. That is why I use a loop so that we can avoid that repetition of that code. All right, because we're doing the same task again and again. Now I am writing if my user bet, which means if the customer put any color inside my user bet, that means my user bet will be true. So if true, user bet is true. If there is something inside, then it will be true. If it is empty, it will be false. If user bet, then I am turning on the race. The race is true. Okay, so that is what these 2 lines are doing. Then, while true, you already know what while true does. It does an infinite loop until I break it. Correct. So while true, because is race on is equal to true, while true, For turtle in all turtles, which means I'm looping through my turtles now, all the turtles. So for every turtle in my all turtles, this is a variable. This can be I, J, K, whatever you want. So for turtle in all turtles, if the turtle dot x coordinate is greater than 230, what does that mean? If the turtle is greater than 230,
Finishing line.
that means that is the winner. Yes or no?
Winner.
So I am getting the winning color. Winning color is equal to turtle dot pen color. So to get the color of the turtle, there is a function called pen color. So I am getting the pen color of this turtle. That is what this is doing. So I got the winning color. Now, if the winning color double equals user bet, what does that mean? What am I doing here?
Checking if the user available.
I'm checking something there. What am I checking? If my winning color is the same as the color that I typed inside my user bet. Okay. If both these colors are same, then I will print you have won. Okay. And I will turn off the race. Race on is equal to false and break, which means what is this breaking? It is breaking my while loop. Because if one of the turtle is crossed 230, what is the point of making the other turtles run? You agree? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right. So that means if the winning color is equal to the same, then I'll print this and I will break. Otherwise, if the winning color is not the same as the user bet, I will print the winning color using the format statement variable. And then I will print you have lost, please try again. Again, I will turn off the race and I will break. Because even if some other turtle won the race, still I need to break the race. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So far, so good. Any doubts? No? Now I'm still not making the turtle run. Okay. Still the turtle is not running. Okay. Now to make the turtle run, I am writing random distance is equal to randint random dot randint 0 comma 10. Okay. So random dot randint 0 comma 10. Okay. Now I will do turtle dot forward rand distance. Okay. Which means whatever number that comes here, that's how many steps that the turtle will take. So turtle dot forward rand distance. So take that many steps forward. Got it? And because it's running inside my loop, you see it's running inside my for loop. For your eyes, it looks like they're all running at the same time, but it's actually the loop doing one at a time. So inside that for loop, first this will get executed and then the turtle will take that many steps forward. So it is first checking, boss, have you crossed 230? Then take so many steps forward. Boss, have you crossed 230? No. Then take so many steps forward. Boss, have you crossed 230? Then take so many steps forward. The minute the turtle crosses 230, then no turtle will take steps forward. You got it? That is why we put this in the end. And finally, I've put screen dot exit on click, which means when I click on the screen, you exit. Okay, let me show you. So it asked me this. I put red again. Now they're all going to the positions, allocating using that list. They're all running. It is checking. Are you greater than 230? No. Okay, take so many steps forward. Are you greater than 230? No. One by one, it's asking. Now straight away, the winning color is purple. You have lost. Please try again. The winning color is purple. You have lost. Please try again. Now to exit, screen dot exit on click. You see, this is my screen. I click on the screen. You see, it'll exit. Gone. And this you have to close. Any doubts on this, guys? Did you guys understand how this turtle game works? Now, why do I like this turtle game? One of the main reasons I like this turtle game is because it gives you an idea of how the code works together and to actually see something built. Okay, to see something built. Now I'll copy this. Let me show you something. I'll go to lovable.dev again. I'll copy this code. Please use the logic above and build me a futuristic gaming site that can be published. Also, please give points for each win, and based on the points, give prizes that can be won by the user. The game is for free for 3 attempts, and after he needs to pay 10 rupees for next 3 attempts. Make the website as easy to use, and the UI needs to be clean and super friendly, and buttons for users to choose the turtle color he wants to bet on. Also, make the winning as what do you call, as as celebrative as possible. Please make the site as futuristic as possible. Okay. Boom. Now, same logic. Okay, now it is going to start building this site. Now, using that logic on the back end, it will build a site. All right, so that way you can actually publish this, and people might get, addicted to this, because it's a very simple game, but it can be addictive because they can win. Let's say you put iPhone as the first prize. Don't you think someone like, at least 100 people, if they spend 100 rupees, how much money have you made? 10,000 rupees, all right, per day. And in a month, you can declare the price. Okay. And you give them one iPhone, and the remaining 2 lakhs is your profit. I met someone yesterday, okay. You won't believe this. They are a very good family, okay. Apparently, the one of the girls in that house has ended up spending 5 crores on some website called Betting Exchange. Have you heard of this website? It's crazy. I mean, I was like, who the hell will do this? They've got so addicted that they've ended up spending 5 crores on this website. Now it is obviously banned, but it's too late now, no? Okay. Whoa. Did you see this website now? Can you guys see it?
Yes, yes, Krish.
Yes, sir.
Now, how long did it take? What, 5 minutes?
Yes.
Now, I think this website looks bloody cool, right? It's a super
Yes.
cool website. I click on red, start race. Woo! Green turtle won the race, better luck next time. Okay,
It is too fast.
let's say orange. Okay, orange won the race. You have won 10 points. So I've got one free attempt left, 10 points. Total races. It's too fast, right? So let me say this is amazing. Can you make the race a little slower? I love this, man. And I love the name, Cyber Turtle Race. Place your bet and watch the race unfold. Check one lucky winner gift unlocked. Okay, done. So now you see the racetrack became bigger now. Let me run start. Orange, 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 orange. Whoa, yellow wins. Okay, so now I have 0 free attempts. Let me put flash. It says free attempts you use, payment required for the next 3 attempts. Ay, 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 ay. This is fun, man. Pay 10 rupees to continue. Okay, payment successful, next attempt. Now we've not set up the payment gateway and all of that, but again, we can use prompts and build that. Now yellow again, yellow, 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 red. Red turtle won the race, better luck next time. I'll do that yellow again. Again red. Purple won the race. This is fun, man. So now this can be published just by clicking this. And you can publish this. You can also do one thing. You can make this free and run Google Ads. That will also make you money. Is this cool?
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
yes,
if
Krish.
I'd given this to some user, like website developer, it would have taken him at least a month to build this that looks like this. All right. And to build the backend, again, probably it's quite complex backend, but we build this in 5 minutes. I gave him the logic and he said, okay, no problem, I'll do it. And boom. And that is why the web developer jobs are Govinda. You got it?
Yes.
Yes, Krish. Yes. Yes, Krish.
Okay. Any doubts with the logic? This is amazing, man. I loved it. I didn't expect it to be so good. Any doubts with this logic?
Krish,
Yeah,
I
Krish.
have a doubt.
Yeah.
When you are creating turtle or assigning coordinates using go to function,
Yeah.
can you go there? Here you made a 2D. Like if I want to make a single turtle on a straight line, so is it possible without using 2D coordinates? So I can give only a single parameter.
No,
Like
because if I give a single parameter, then
I
where
want I want only one turtle which is moving in a straight line.
if you want only one turtle, still you need to mention where the turtle should stand, no? See, in this coordinates, even if you give one turtle, that turtle is here and it has to go somewhere, no?
Hmm. Okay.
So we need X and Y coordinates. Otherwise, where will it stand? Where will it go? If I
Or
pro
if I want to make it
if I provide only X,
hmm.
which is minus 230,
Hmm.
and Y, where will it go? Y. It has to
Okay.
be either 0 or 1 or 20 or 50 or 80. It has to go somewhere and stand, no? Even if it is one turtle.
Okay. Means a go to needs two parameter compulsory.
See, it's not go to. I think it is in the in the digital world, the
Mhm.
space is defined by X and Y coordinates.
And if I want to make it in 3D, so it will require Z also. So go to will work with three
Now,
dimension.
now, I don't know. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, we are not working with 3D now. I don't know the capabilities of the turtle library.
Okay.
Like I said, it is not bread and butter. All right.
Okay.
If you maybe you can explore. It is not
Okay.
bread and butter project. It is just a fun project so that you understand how code will work together to build something viable.
Okay.
Okay, maybe you can try that out. I don't know. You can go to Turtle Library and they have so many things. I don't think 3D is possible, but
Okay.
you can give it a go.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Krish.
No worries. Yes, Siddharth.
Yeah, Krish. This is a technical question. Can you come to your white, please?
Where?
Why the race loop?
I can't hear you. Your
Am I
voice.
audible?
Can you hear him, guys? I don't know. I can't hear him.
No.
No, I can't hear you, Siddharth. Your voice is very low and
Is it audible now?
better. Yeah.
Okay. So I was asking in the white
Come back. Where?
why loop,
Where?
the while loop.
While loop. Okay.
So over here, there are two loops which are going together, right? One while and one for.
Yes.
And when we do break will come out of the while loop, right?
Correct.
So if just want to come out of for loop, not the while loop, is there a way to write something still?
Is there a
Is there a way where my break will only come out of the for loop, not the while loop?
see? For loop, the break does not apply. For loop will loop as many times the number of elements are there in that list. So for I in list, it will loop as many times the elements are there in the list. So we are exiting the while loop because that will end the race. So otherwise the race will keep going on. It will loop indefinitely. So
Yeah, so that is clear to me. I'm just asking technically. Let's say I have some other problem statement which has two loops, and in my logic, I just want to come out of the first loop using break statement.
What do you have, two while loops or for loops?
Any two loops, and I just want to exit the first loop using break statement.
See, if you have two loops, then you are it is completely logical. It is scenario based at that. I think it is a very vague question because what we are trying to do here is you have two for loops. Now, if you have two for loops, there is a reason why you're using two while loops. There must be a reason why you're using two while loops. If you're using two while loops, then what you will have to figure out the um, when to exit what. It is scenario based. So if you are exiting the outer while loop, then you'll use a while break statement for the outer while loop, depending on the logic that you're applying on the inner while loop. So break is what exits a while loop. For will exit once it loops the number of times it is executed. Okay, so it's a very vague question. I think it's a it is completely scenario based. I mean, there is no a right way of doing this. Now, if you're even with the for loop here, all right, we are breaking this loop. Okay, we are breaking the for loop because someone has already won the race, which means I don't want this for loop to run again, which is why I'm exiting the for loop. All right. So that means the minute this happens, I wanted to exit. That is why I put a break here. Even if this does not happen, if someone else is won, then exit this for loop. That means the entire race ended here. You got it?
Yeah, but
Okay. Any other questions? Awesome. All right. You have the file, give it a go, play around with it, try to execute this game. It is fun. A lot of people build this to-do list and all that. I don't like those. Bloody useless and boring. The reason I built this as a capstone project is one, because it is fun, and two is because you're actually building something that works. Now, using this website that I just did, you can guys to do the same. All right, and you can share it with your friends. Hey, Macha, look, I built this. Can you try this on and let me know if you like it or not? And you can build on top of that, make it more sexy. You can add more features and even take it live. I mean, or you can use it with your friends. You can make it multiplayer as well. You can make it multiplayer. All right, that will build the backend on how to make it multiplayer. Make it multiplayer where 2, 3 people are doing, and you're putting a 10 rupee bet for each race. And the owner of the website gets 30% of the winning amount. That's a cool game, right? Let's say the maximum bet size will be 10 rupees. So that means people don't mind spending 10 rupees. And 3 players, that means 30 rupees. The owner of the website gets 9 rupees and the winner gets 21 rupees. So every time they bet, the website guy is getting 9 rupees for doing nothing. But the player's potential is to get how much? 21 rupees for every 10 rupees they put. So they're doubling their money. Correct? And
Like
imagine,
aviator,
sorry?
like aviator game.
Exactly. So that means it is a very simple game, but imagine they're spending like 100 rupees a day. they can easily spend 100 rupees a day. So you can put like a top-up container, and they top up, and three people come in and they select which color and they race. And because it is so simple, anybody can play. Even your house help can play this. Right? All you have to click on a button and start race. And that's it. Once three colors are selected, they start the race. And until three colors are selected, this should be gray. It should not be, we should not allow them to start the race. So I think it's a brilliant product. It's easy, simple. Right? And we can deploy this in like one day. And maybe build an app out of this as well. Cyber Turtle Race. Okay. Awesome. Try it out, have fun, enjoy, and let me know how it goes. All right. That's about it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Have an amazing evening. And I'll see
Thank
you guys in the next class. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
guys.
Thank you.
See you
Thank you
later.
so much.
Hello, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Snehal, sir. I think I don't know you remember or not. I came to your office with my husband, uh, Snehal Kognoi, with my husband and my daughter
Oh,
last yesterday.
you came yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Saturday.
Yeah. Tell me, Snehal. Yeah.
Yes, I joined today only.
Awesome,
I'm
Snehal.
oh, after long discussion with my husband.
Good, man. Good. Did you like today's class, Snehal?
Yes, actually, I attended your demo class also. That time you are teaching like a list compensation something.
Correct.
So I saw your recordings also and trying to do coding.
So far, so good.
Yeah, for now.
Enjoying it?
Yes, sure.
Awesome, Snehal. Enjoy the sessions. Don't 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 treat this like a school, okay?
Yes.
I
Sure.
want you to have fun.
Yes.
That is the only way you will learn. Otherwise, it'll become boring, and you'll be like, wow, woman, same bloody
Yeah, I already told you my story. What?
Exactly. So enjoy these classes, enjoy the sessions, and have fun. All right. And I will guarantee that you will have more knowledge than any 5-year data engineer or a big data guy that you know. That is my assuring.
Yes.
All right. Just have fun.
Yes.
This will get more and more interesting, but I'll keep it as fun as possible for you guys.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sure.
All right. Awesome.
Thank you.
That's it, guys. Thank you. Have a good evening.